everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple login screen in Android Studio. So first, click the empty views activity for the new project. Click next. Name it login application. Choose a language. This is Java. Click finish. Click app and the RES. Click layout and double click the activity main. So this will now see the design view. There is also for the code view and design view. So zoom in. We have now text which is the hello world. So we have to change it to login screens. Click enter. And now the text change. We can change the layout width or the layout height. I prefer the wrap content. So drag the text in which place you want to place. And now drag text view, plain text, adjust, and change the text. Click enter. And for the password, drag the password. Adjust. And put a text. So we put password, then enter. And it shows the dot because it is a password. And now click the button and drag button to the screen. Change the text to login. Enter. And now the word change. Now we have to change the background for the button. Make some adjustment for the better view. For the background, we can choose background. We can also change its background to image, but I prefer this background color. And then the background has changed. We have to add text size to the code view in activity main. So Android colon text size was so add in the username text so we can adjust the text size. To design view, now we can see the login screen size increase, text size increase, login screen and the login. So I increased the size for the login screen and turned it to 40. Back again to the design screen, design view, design screen. Now we see the login screen, text increase. You can also add text style or text appearance in every text. So add my device. And now we have the login screen in the application. That's all. Thank you.